This is proof that the law of attraction works. Have you ever been thinking of something you wanted to buy, or was thinking of someone you haven't seen in a while? Did that person seems to appear out of nowhere? You weren't expecting to see that person, but that was the law of attraction in action. Think about when you was thinking of buying something in particular, but you didn't think you had enough funds to get it. Suddenly you see exactly what you were thinking about buying at a great bargain. That's the law of attraction in action to bring into existence the things you're thinking about. If you're not sure the law of attraction is working for you, ask for signs. The signs will correlate to whatever you are thinking. That's the law of attraction in action, letting you know that things are coming into alignment to manifest. The time frame may be within a few hours, days, months, or years. It all depends on your willingness to receive what the universe has to offer and the divine order of the universe. It is as simple as asking, believing in your heart, and being ready to receive. If you feel it in your heart that those things are coming, they will. Wake up excited every day about the things you want to receive and tell no one. They will think you're crazy, but you are not. You have moved to a different level of awareness. If the law of attraction is not working for you, you are putting up resistance of doubt or skepticism. In order for the law of attraction to work, you must release all doubts and skepticism and be open to receive. As long as you believe the law of attraction doesn't work for you, then it won't. There is plenty of positive proof that the law of attraction does work. It is up to each individual to open up their mind to the secret law of attraction. There are certain signs you will see when the law of attraction is working for you. 1. If you continually see repeated numbers, this means that the law of attraction is sending you a message that things are being worked on in your behalf. 2. You begin to get a more heightened awareness. You begin to notice everything going on around you. 3. When you're on the path to manifesting your desires, your intuitive knowledge speeds up. Your vibration frequency begin to accelerate. 4. You may begin to experience dreams about the things you are seeking. 5. Unexpected money began to appear out of nowhere. 6. You may begin to experience seeing animals, people you haven't seen in a while, objects that relates to your manifestation. This is the universe trying to communicate with you, to let you know that things are being worked on. 7. You will begin to release all worry, doubts and fears. You will find a more inner peace with your circumstances. 8. Creative ideas will begin to flow to bring the abundance and prosperity in your life. 9. You may lose some friends, because people will see you differently. You are moving up to a different level of consciousness. 10. Along with an unexpected inflow of money, you will begin to see more positive things take form in your life. 11. If you've been laid off, or lost your job, and your creditors are nice to you, allowing you more time to pay your bills, that's the law of attraction in action. 12. Random acts of kindness from strangers. If any one of these signs has happened to you, that's the law of attraction at work, bringing into your life those things you seek to manifest. There is plenty of text reference that the law of attraction exists. It only works if it is applied. It's your free will to choose to do so. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you won't miss an upload. Thank you for watching Sparkle TV, Secret Law of Attraction.